Hey there everybody, God Eggman coming at you. Hey, I'm gonna get you a little bit closer here, but what I'm gonna be doing today is got some JB weld. I'm gonna fix these holes in Hiezenberg's heads, and y'all gonna come along and watch. So I'm gonna go this way first. And let's get you guys moved in a little closer. Get y'all right in there. Turn this so y'all can see everything. Alright, let me put my gloves on real quick here. And that's going to be interesting. My gloves got a big old hole in it. We are going to take this JB weld steel stick and basically we're going to take and make a bubblegum patch. Gloves on here, scissors. And we're going to take the steel stick, pop the end off of it, loop, and let's see. First, we're going to use approximately half of it. Put that back up, cover that up. Mix it all together, two colors, get it to one. Well, we're going to already know we're going to have a messed up thumb. Okay, that piece is not looking big enough, so we're going to take the whole mixed up to one color. You got just a few minutes to work with this. This is a whole tube of it. We're going to set this in there. I still don't think this one's going to work. JB weld is not wanting to stick. That's a whole tube's worth. Take this out. I'm gonna still need more on this backside, so I'm gonna let this cure up and use my second tube. Taking re-clean because it looks like we're getting some oil coming through. And surface perfectly clean and dry because it looked like some more oil came in. Check the back side. Make sure there's nothing. We're going to want to let that sit because that's not done. It says it takes up to an hour to set. So, and before I open this other one, I want that one set first so I can finish with that hole, because as you can see, we're not done. There is miles. That tube of steel stick, I got 2 of them just in case. It's a good thing because that is not good enough, and we still have that hole to go. So we might be going and getting another one because it looks like this whole tube is what it's going to take to finish patching up that hole. Because what I'm going to do is I want to fill all this in and only have our guide left. I want all this to be solid and filled in so there's no chance of that coming in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this get a little more solid, and then I'm going to fill it in from the back, and I'm going to fill all this in, and then what's left up this tube, I'm going to mix it all together. I'm going to fill this up, fill this hole right here up as full as I can get it with as much JB weld as I can, and then what's left over I'll shove into this hole from the back side. But it's already getting solid, so let me go ahead and break that up and start working that. We'll set you guys here. We'll take move this out of the way. Turn it so you guys can see everything. We're gonna be working right here in this hole right here. So we're gonna fill this hole in right here. So let's go ahead and get our tube of JB weld out, and whatever we have left over that's doesn't, we're going to immediately shove in that hole and work into that. So we're going to go ahead and use this whole tube of steel stick and work it into right there. Yeah, it's going to look like it's going to take this whole tube, and I'm going to have to go get another container of JB weld. This is not going to be enough to do much more than fill in where I want filled in over here and get this done. So all right, we're getting one color. Yeah, it's looking like this is going to take all of it and go up in there and do it. Yeah, press that down flat. So yeah, that is 2 tubes of the 2 ounce, and it took to fix that one hole, and it took 4 ounces, or this is that I used on the other head was a 6 ounce tube. So we got still to go get at least one more. Still stick epoxy, so we were able to get one of the holes fixed, and I'm still not. I'm pretty sure when I get that, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more onto this, make that nice and solid, and get that worked out. So that is one of the repairs on Hiezenberg. It took 2 full sticks of JB Weld steel stick to fix one of them. Holes in Hiezenberg's head. We still got one more hole to go, and we will be obtaining more material to repair that, and we will be working forward. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to add some more onto the driver's side on that one. And let's take a quick little look-see. Yeah, more than likely, let me show you guys on this side. We're going to probably add some more on this side, because I want more right down here, and I want this to fill in a little bit more. But right now, I want this to cure nice and flat and level. So everybody stay tuned. We are slowly but surely getting Hiezenberg fixed, and this repair right here, I am very happy with how that is playing out, what it's looking like. So, and we got the head bolts, brand new head bolts to go with it. I know everybody's asking why I went with Velcro instead of ARP. Well, ARP, when I went to look them up, they were as much as both sides and more expensive for just one side. So I got to thinking, what have I used over the decades, and what was the very first thing I ever used? And it was Velcro. So I went with that. When in doubt, go with what you know, because quality will stay throughout the decades. All right, Goth Egg Man, he is out of here. He's got a repair done on Hiezenberg. It's getting one step closer and closer each and every day he works on it. So subscribe to my channels, like my videos, watch all my content.